they are jealous. They're not jealous. No one would wake up in the morning and accuse me of something that I didn't do, or of something that comes from the, from the top of their mind. So they might be onto something. We might learn something today. So, and trust me when I'm saying I'm giving this an open mind. Like, what's the justification? Thought process. Let me keep on reading. Are you guys good in terms? We are good in terms. Because I know saying I explain cool. See right. I have no reason. The way you looked at her. Okay. Abantu beDiyo sizongena kini. Let's address this thing fast. Sizobuyela kuDiyo. Oh, by the way, it's 3 times platinum. Siyabonga kakhulu. It was, you look young. It was misinterpreted, Mama. It's not your fault. I mean, man, like, I'm gonna misinterpretation. And at this point, I'm interested with this girl. In my life, I've only seen her twice. Ngambona e Cape Town Stellenbosch, and then ngambulisa hello Sitembi, yabo, like Grootman giving advice to a young kid, and then ngambona at the event futhi, same energy, Grootman giving advice to a kid, yabo. So aguna beef at all. How would you describe your relationship with her? Like I'm saying, I've only seen her twice in my entire life. Yabo, as for sis, same no sis, ngambona 2 times in my entire life. So long aphila ngumuntu. Ngababona 2 times pair. And nakhona sihlangana kuzo zona lezi zinto lezi zokushuta, red carpet. Maybe you didn't love Boom Shaka. Okay. I didn't listen to Boom Shaka because I was not born, but I can tell you one thing for sure. I used to watch Gomorrah. Ha. So, still you don't have a point. Nyamaz, umamaga, konjubane, umamaga, Terry boy, stepmother saka Terry boy. So, yeah, Boom Shaka. I'm not really familiar with Boom Shaka like that because obviously I'm young, and yeah, I'm young, but it looked like you didn't want to take a picture with her. No. I'm still waiting. But honestly, you ignored her. To be quite honest with you, I saw the video myself. Yabo, I saw the video myself, and you guys are not wrong. It looks wrong. It looks very weird. You understand? And if obviously I don't have context, then I would have drawn whatever conclusion that you guys are drawing right now. Like, angin blame if it's angangivuka kusasa ngathi hi banomona bayangizona akunamuntu ozonda umuntu la. I saw the video. But nisuke nibe ne angazi, maybe there's a certain agenda nifuna ukuyiphudio uyanipisa uthi no, that's not what happened, but still nifuna ukuchubeka and push a narrative, which makes me like question everything ukuthi manje ngathi seyajika direction. And obviously once it starts changing isengaphezulu kwamandla akunanto engayenza, yabo. But I saw the video. I don't want to lie. Like, the very same video that you guys are looking at is the very same video that I'm looking at. And like I'm saying to you, if I'm a person that had no context, I would have said, this is a weird video. Rude, I don't know. But it's weird. You understand? Was it intentional? Ish. Ay, marinig na batala. Batala sonke la. So guys, now if once a person starts explaining, hi, this is what happened, this is not what happened, that person is screaming guilty. You understand? So it's definitely not my intention to come onto a live video and start explaining myself, because obviously I know what happened and I was there. Do you understand? So angazi seningang advise ukuthi nina nibona ukuthi kwenzeke njani, but mina from where I'm standing, like I just have this belief ukuthi like umuntu once aqala explain nike nibona amadoda achithayo, like makangaqala explain la unamanga liar, yabo. So as explainalene sifundisane What if tables were turned? I would have kept quiet. If the tables were turned, like let's say for example, that was happening to me, I would have kept quiet. You know, instead what I would have done, numbers or poster. I would say, oh guys, my merch is selling out at the Fix. Oh guys, we're doing Afro Nation. Oh guys, baby Dio. You understand? I would have pushed my business because that's obviously what I'm about. That's obviously my intentions in the game. I would have pushed my business. I would have kept quiet. I would have kept quiet. When again, if bozi bozo wenzana, let me just say advise la. Yes, Pella, she's quiet. Nami, I would have done the same thing. I would have kept quiet. Cause like, there's no point. Yeah, but like I'm saying, there's no point having to explain yourself, especially if you know your truth. You know what happened. Even the people there. Truth, you know, happy. Look, let's start off. Yeah, ba?
May go advise him. Ukuthi bantu bangamane bakhulume ukuthi ignorile, you understand, but mina what I saw ukuthi wena bu busy and naye beka busy. You can't focus tikuthini leti-2 ngesikhathi ethi-1, you understand? Yeah, so nje bantu abayekele bafuna ukuskot maphuma for no reason, you understand? So nje abayekele le nto leyo. The only thing le bafocus kiyo